Chief Ogwenaze, aka Jama Money. Chief Ogwenaze. Chief Ogwenaze. Eh? Chief Ogwenaze. Now I share my video first. Chief, rest at the come. Good morning, everyone. It's weekend. Happy Saturday. I know some of you will be busy. Some are still in bed. But in all, whatever you're doing, kindly put up your ear pod. If you're driving, just put it on speaker. If you're shopping, just put on your ear pod. You get me? Whatsoever you are doing, just feel free. Let's see. Let's spoke. We are here. Chief Ogwenaze. Now share video first. I go. Good morning. Yesterday night. Now I can't jam this Ogwenaze video for Untouchable Mama page. You get me? In a way, yeko. Chief Ogwenaze. Ah, Ọlọ́run bá jẹ́ torí Ọlọ́run. Ogwenaze. I just look you, sleep take me. I wake up around 3 again. I don't see sleep around 2 something to 3, 2:40. I start to look you again. I don't still see sleep. Sleep take me again around 4 or 5. I wake up again. I still see you now. We met the armor. Depression is real. You know, say depression get great, right? And some of us Nigerians or African, for Nigerians at large, we know they quick pick up, say yes, this person is depressed. And even if you see a depressed person, you tell and say, you are depressed. You know, they ever agree. I don't know why. I was supposed to come and deal with Chief Ogwenaze, aka Jama Money. But when I saw his video, I knew something was wrong with him. But his problem was he refused to accept the fact that he is depressed. He was. I believe he is still, as we speak now. When I saw, normally I not be TikTok person. I not they do TikTok. I know your fish out. But if I see music what I like, I go just dance put, which is normal among everybody. Now when blogger Untouchable Mama go carry one of the horrible, I've been a horrible whatever, I leave the English video, come carry and come. I watched that video repeatedly. I watched that video. Trust me, I sensed this man was not just depressed, but he had confidence in his stupidity. He had confidence. I remember those days when I knew come England. My first ever, should I call her team leader? The person who taught me care work, the person who carried me for shadow. I can never forget that English she spoke. She said, even if you are doing nonsense, just have confidence in what you are doing. And you're like, okay, it's all right. That was how I picked up. So even if I'm afraid, sometimes that thing will just enter my mind. Even if you are doing nonsense, have confidence in what you are doing. And I say, okay. That was exactly what this Jama Money will not get chichi for pocket did. Then on the other hand, something can enter my mind. To many of us, where God will still bless with a bay. If you know you are not stable, Any little thing you have now, try by all means. Sometimes, if you give family, make them save am, story fee enter. Based on the fact, say, not be you open account. In things like that, acquire properties. I repeat myself. In situations like that, acquire properties. Should in case of incasity, we not pray for bad thing. But eventually it happens. There should be a plan B. You go see something said, take start yourself. You go see something said, take whole body. Yes. If this chief Ogbenaze had gotten a land for himself after anywhere in Edo State, at least if you see where a squad put, I know you're comfortable. If you see where a squad put, right? Before you find buyer, at all. Omigo yasun. Iye-eki asige nene for anything he deem me fit to buy, any property he wish to buy. If na land, though, to me, land is a okpamen has a depreciate, right? Instead it increase. Land they go up. Buy as many as you can. Secure it. Do your see or foe. Should in case of incasity, you are the original owner of the land, sell it, make use of your money, and look for where to start again. I understand the fact everyone needs urgent help on media. It's okay. It's advisable if you have the opportunity, if you see who is standing for you. And God bless you, my brother. Enogie is priceless. God bless anybody that is standing on behalf of people like that. God bless every one of you. Because it's not an easy task. It is not an easy task. But why being in an asylum home, whether Germany or anywhere, especially that Germany, where they carry person for broad daylight, carry for night, carry for any time, where they take demi fit. I beg. Secure yourself. If you don't feel secure document, secure something where go fit give you money if it's set. Then if you can't come online now to come buy clothes, where? I'm victorious. Call you no gelare. If you can't come online, you don't say now to buy clothes, fair money, just straight take chop first. Now you define fair where position your head put. Not be the one where cheap or when I say aka German money will not get chichi. They do. They find money want to go marry woman for Asaba. Asa you the diet? No. I know the diet. I come down. I never recover from factory work. It's very right. But all the same, I want sleep. I began small stress anyway, but by the special grace of God, it has been taken care of. Yes. I don't carry my mind come down and say nothing is worth buying for. You get me? Soldier go, soldier come. Barrack not the dry. I was having emotional stress before, but I am okay now. So I need where Asaboro, you all the same. Maybe not because I still do hair. You understand? It can't be like say I ain't wearing for you. Joke apart, but that was reality. Sometimes we are returning everywhere, no matter how the situation is. Yes, I was broke down, but I am fine now. Thank God for people around me. Thank God for them. My neck long. Now they told me. Sonia Joy, good morning, love. That was young Victoria said, if I still fat, Asaboro, you are too chubby. Asaboro, as I come down, so I know fine. You don't like car? You don't like car? Let me go straight to Chief Ogbenaze. Ogbenaze, aka German money. Yeah, it's so unfortunate. Say you can't see person who don't spend years for abroad, you can't deport them. But who they deport better pass with that? Deportation no good, no matter the millions where you get for account. Not be waiting with they pray for. Any no bad. Our so for boy. It's a bad thing. Especially not be girl now. Safe now still girl now. Bad as it bad. You go find where you go for start. You go tap one better man for Nigeria. Tap one. So far may you know your worth. May you know yourself. Not be say easy radio. Any no EMU. Yeah, go in other way book. Agbona ma a balance. But in all, Mrs. Vivian Agamie Yaro Efe Erabo 1. Enogie. Laveze. Come mama. I don't know why I love this woman from afar. I love you from my heart, to be fair. Come mama. A more with Pablo. Do mama. Happy weekend, Enogie. Mommy Susan. Onai women. Ebo mommy. Koje. So that chief, when I say one of Germany, aka German money, is very, very unfortunate. Sometimes, many of us, majority of us, they don't build us. Oh, Doc Ray, my love, how are you doing? Good morning, sir. Good morning, sir. If you ask me, who will I ask? Where Asaboro has emotional pain? Yeah, Asaboro has emotional pain because Asaboro was heartbroken. Yeah, anybody can be heartbroken. There's no oh, Mona not be myself. I can't talk. Oh, Mona, leave me. Nobody should trigger me. Mommy Victoria, don't trigger me. Oh, God, okay. Yes, I know you will be like, why? Yes. Anybody can be heartbroken. In love, there is no okonga. Yes, in love, there is no okonga. It's either you are the victim or you are the victimized. Anyone, you get what I mean? So nobody's above heartbroken. Nobody's above heartbreak. So I was one, yes, but trust me, I am, by His grace, I am in my healing process. By His grace. It's not easy though. It's not easy, but I have to smile all through, put up a smiling face, smile like as never as before, make you feel it well. Few days, few weeks, few months ago, it's not well, but thank God for God. Are you getting it? So that aside, soldier go, soldier come. God knows the best, right? It's just for us to be open for love again. Love is a beautiful thing, yes. And as I always tell people, it takes a broken heart. It takes love to heal a broken heart. So, but with time, love is going to heal us permanently. Like, permanently. It's going to be, it's just a matter of time, okay? Yes. So that aside, can we proceed? With all due respect, I don't mean to be rude to my audience. With all due respect, can I proceed? Yo, mommy, I love you too, Enogie. Can I proceed with all due respect? So, back to what I was saying. Thank you for your concern anyway. I appreciate the fact that you noticed. God bless you. Back to Chief, or when I said one of Germany, aka German money will not get money for pocket. Mr. Oga, my brother, I'm going to be playing few of your clip. I want the audience to see or hear what you were saying. That is, you ought to know this man was depressed, although he would never accept the fact that he was depressed. I am telling you, he was. Ebewebo ojabugbe na miewo mommy Flora ogiefo wa talk pe Enogie obokiaje avizio obetuzola nikede. Ebewebo omo no mageleri ojewebo. Oh, not yet. Okay, any question for your girl? Continue. I will give you the answer straight up. I know they lie. Straight up. But all the same, I would want us to talk about why we're here, not just me. Because deliberating on myself, you're like taking me back from where I'm coming from. It wasn't easy, but please allow me to be. Okay? So let's talk about, please, with all due respect, let's talk about Chief Owenaze, aka German money. Mr. Prince, Enorigo or talk pesa. Happy weekend, Baba. So, as I was saying, they come before we got interrupted. But all the same, we still have to balance the equation as the answer baby that we are. No matter the circumstances, we still have to put up a smiling face for others. That's why we are in the front of the camera. But no matter the smile, sometimes do not cry in silence. Try to air your mind peacefully, amicably, and politely. Okay? Somebody might be there to rescue you. Somebody might be there to give you a shoulder to lean on. You never can tell. But in all, thank God the cry. Yes. In all, thank God they ask why me. In all, no matter how you think you are so good, you are so that, yes, there will still be a person that you will dobale for. There will still be a person that will say, hey, yeah, so it is what it is. Chief Owenaze was in camp, as we all know. There are different people and there are different ways of asking for documents. Some people, oh, mommy, oh, yeah, ije. I talk by mommy. Lavese, mommy, eki. Onye, arena one of Mechele. Oh, Belgica. I talk by it. Come on, me, lavese. That's you. Come on, me. So, there are some people you might have spent years while looking for it. You have spent all your goddamn money. This is not asylum seeker. You have spent money, like when I mean money, your time, your emotions, in fact, everything about you, but it's not forthcoming. Those are a man in Metia one. Any one, you bought Bazan and even if you not get 50 by 100 for us, now you might be, you be. Yes. But you see some set of people, somebody like this Chief Owenaze, one of Germany. When you sit down for government house, you will hear from the horse's mouth. If they tell government, say, na so it be, in no government. I went here, Asaboro, maybe to me. If they tell government, now say, government, you know their trick. And Germans are the highest people, you can never know anything about them. I go with Germany, yaze. Uke zoine, ya zoene. That is Germans for you. So, I don't know what to give this man the impression, say he know what Germany be. And above it, he refused to take lawyer. So he said, although he don't tell us in our content, it isn't great, but while he was speaking, that it does not sound like content. It does not sound like a content creator because I believe he's not one. He's just a TikToker who look for a place to air his mind, who look for a place to express his garage mentality, who was looking for a place to speak up because deep down him, he's burning. He just needs somebody to talk to. But unfortunately, he was doing it in the wrong way. Why am I emphasizing on this person? Not that I love dealing with people who are done. Hell no. I want others who are in the same situation, including myself. I am not excluded. To lay the positive side of individual people like this. I don't take advantage of people's situation, no, especially cases like this. Hell no, I wasn't brought up that way. I am not that kind of a person. Those of them that are still there now, it's high time for them to do normal. You can equally leave Germany and go and seek asylum in Holland. Yes, because some of you, when settled in Germany, you think that is the ultimate. You have been given follow the via in German language, do stuff like that. Not once, not twice to leave. You will refuse to leave. These people, I believe they politely tell you, get out of there. But you people will resist arrest and you resist to leave. I believe this is what is leading to such like this. I believe, for example, allegedly. Germany is not the only place for asylum grant. Germany is not. France, they take asylum. Yes. Holland, that's where they take asylum. A bed of penny or any dark many regime, bad do or more straight ifo. Ya gyo majoto. A dark many, a yoji, mammy or amurin, or amufiega, or no. Or any way I be if you able to. But in Holland, yes, you can. In France, oh yes, that is the home of asylum. The CEO, the pata of them all. You will have peace. Instead of Hey, they don't gonna go Nigeria. Hey, they don't gonna go Nigeria. Hey, they don't gonna go Nigeria. You are not married. This chief organizer was not married. You have all possible means to change country if you want to. So what exactly was tying you down? People that have kids, I will understand. Relocating with kids is not as easy as everybody can say. Here in Zimbabwe, it's easier said than done. But you are a single man who refused to get married. You abuse single mothers. You talk to them anyhow. Me, where uhema saw upon my brother. When I look at this man, when he took off his clothes, I can count his ribs from his video, which I'm going to play for you. Bet no ya gbekun okay ye ni na ya gbalekpi guy ina we to pele for this man o si agberan ro ye we amudia kwani we ko pase ne dama doga je we o so ekere ore gbagun ya we atanai kere asegbe o na ri mo na ma gyo bomi si gbo bo na nya o opa go we bo ki o iwe gbere iko riro iruwe wo na nyi o ako eke no magele no olola igogbo o uga ume unu ikwe mi ti yado orun pase ti we ya orun pariri agbon o èmi dá toye dá ara iwo area o ekwenyenye nari obi ore guizi papa no ye eziyan o neyebe to owe mu me bet iyonu wa heme chief ogwenaze wa bere ewe ni ere aje oso ekere kamarere untouchable mama backup page. Let me go there and play the cassette of Chief Owenaze. You see this guy Obina Abi Ogbona. This one was deported as well. This was the Ogbona that went to pick him up. Ogbona Riati or Marty lady no see Ayasaba. Igono no. We are Wasaba. Okay, let's hear from him.
Not who want to defend your case. Start on your own.
Okay. Yeah, you are right.
I'm a lawyer. I professor for them. They look me say, boss, I know they drink, I know they smoke.
I believe you. No, they
want to me. They say the man. I say, when the time don't come, now we know. I be prophet. I not be prophet. So then now, these people are prophesy now. Some of them they don't deport them. Some of them they different country.
Okay, sorry.
But we don't get lawyer. I get the country.
Okay.
2018.
Imagine. You seek an asylum and you not get lawyer. And you were thinking like it is what it is. When your mates don't change lawyer at least 2 times. And the most funniest part of it, this man refused to even, you will hear from me. Let's hear. Sometimes ignorance and stupidity leads so many of them to where they are today. If you are taking a lawyer, you maybe you would have been informed like, oh, something like this is going to happen. Then 2 steps ahead of the government. Is it that you leave or you change your house and start up from somewhere? Or if you had a girlfriend, you will quit and go and stay with your girlfriend for the meantime. But because of his pride, his ego, his foolishness and stupidity, ignorance that played a lot on him. Anyway, let him spoke. And not speak, let him spoke with his mouth. I don't want woman. I am hacking now.
Apply for asylum. I don't 2022. Now they send me letter, George send me letter, now you my George. Full country. Now George, now go send me letter. I say, now me hold your far.
Your far. Your far.
Now George say one see me since 2018 to 2024. Now George go send me letter. Say, he want to see my face. Who they perform this kind miracle? When the system, I can discover. What do you talk? I be like Joseph. Chama will submit my mission. He will submit.
This is exactly what some Christians do. This is ignorance. Even Bible told them, he said, my people perish for lack of knowledge. A Christian will be sick. Go carry mat, carry wrapper, carry bucket, go sleep inside church. Ordinary pharmacy, no go buy medicine. You know, go for medication. It go feel like that inside church, they pray. Now you know when now you power not deal with again. Now you see they use the small strength where they say your body till they pray. Might be you're suffering from high blood pressure, I don't know, or sugar or whatever. Instead of you to visit a medical house, you go to prayer house, go they pray. While pastor will get church, if they feel headache, he go call a branch for abroad, they go bring medication. Or further still, he go fly down to any part of the country where they feel enter, he'll go treat himself. But church member, rather go kneel down for altar, they so see, they pray. That's exactly what happened to this Chief Ogwenaze. Good morning, mommy, sweet, simple. That's exactly what happened to Chief Ogwenaze. Chief Ogwenaze, aka Dama Money, from the way he talks, you see him holding Bible. That thing you see, not be textbook, because what he be. A Bible in my gravity, ma foi. They say they want you ma foi. Ma foi. Fire, no foi. They say they want to fight. 2018. Judge, the whole world, judge. No, he's not the judge of the whole world. He's the judge of your case. Your case will have been handed to him or her. So he's the judge of your case. He wants to see you. So be it. And you don't have a representative who is supposed to be your lawyer. And you not feel go. Hey, judge, you have one man in Ota. Some of you that still live in Germany, do not make silly mistake. Learn from people. Learn from people. You must not experience it before you know this is how it is. Learn from people's mistake. Learn from people's mistake. Yeah, you go for it. Yeah, be with your hair over. It is. Yeah, we don't know what can you want. Why would you let it happen to you first? A person who seeks asylum, you don't even have government lawyer, nor a private lawyer. So, who is your defender? Who is interceding on your behalf? Who is speaking to the judge? Who is communicating with you? Instead, you go carry Bible. And that Bible, you don't even know what's inside. Because if you had known, the same Bible is telling you, my people perish for lack of knowledge. That's exactly what you just illustrated. That's exactly what you did out of foolishness. Claiming that you are Joseph. No. Joseph's case is far different from yours. What did Joseph seek asylum? Joseph in Yaduroa. Joseph was sold out due to jealousy from his brethren, his brothers. Joseph in Yaduroa. Oswald Olumako. Me look your enogie. Be in your one 2 million. I got a one.
I die of smoke.
You don't need bellet now.
Now what?
I don't want me bellet now. Why? I tie bellet. I tie and struck. The weapons of this man warfare are not carnal. They are not carnal at all. This is iye-eki.
What I talk? I be like Joseph. Jama will submit my mission. He will submit.
Because yeah.
Then 100 years, 30 years, now I'm taking for this process, I die pellets, I die of smoke. Now what? I'll be only my interests I fight for.
You are a fool. You know when you did crazy, so they water you. You did mad. Sorry, the money wait now. Wait. You are a fool. Africa alien, you are a fool.
No man,
not punish you, the crazy. Not punish you.
Now the series.
Who be you? God punish your life. Consider my brother.
Jama, they never beat you. That is, if you enter another man's country, the man ancestor, what did they demand? Ancestor, like folk can come out. Ancestor, I don't do your land. What are they forbid?
Okay.
What are they forbid?
It's alright.
They will call you, they will tell you, see what they forbid.
Okay. It's just
they need to find their destruction.
Understand this man better.
If you can't open your eyes to see these people,
what
you need to open your eyes, see them overnight. They will tell you what they forbid. If you take duty,
problem.
Why not ask yourself? Now night, you don't let me play overnight. Unexpectedly, they will take you unaware. Go to work and school and house, they will take you. Unless you carry your bag by yourself home.
And you man,
Arrest me, not be night.
you see this one up? This guy, Ogbona. This one is deported as well. He tell advice on her. Me worry. I don't know if they are picking it. But I'm a balance.
What? Since I entered this country, I've been later come where not get.
Man, I was depressed, I swear.
How many don't get?
Now bring that call. I did. They don't teach me. They don't teach me, huh? Show evidence. Evidence can make your enemy shut up.
Where the evidence?
You will shock your enemy. You will shock your enemy. Enemy, they come out.
No,
they're not confused. They're not confused.
You forgo Italy, you forgo Italy now.
Experience is the best teacher. Ogbona is advising him to go to Italy, but he's refusing the offer.
Out of joke. Don't let him listen. Wait for the joke. Wait for the joke. And again for the no truthfulness. Wait for the joke. And then for the no truthfulness. Wait for the call and again for the no truthfulness.
My face be like sad joke.
No, I want to tell you one thing. If I joke, you'll stop her.
Wait. Sammy, how far?
You see this guy issue, This Germany money.
Mommy,
because it's a popular saying that says that the world is not for the wise. You feel me? This guy, so I don't say no amount of talk when I want to talk for here.
He's too confident in his foolishness.
He goes and tell you wise up.
At all.
I know that it make any sense. Because I don't see him now say in the very bereft. You know to be listen.
Sam, I beg go.
I thought you know quiet.
Ebony.
I talk to you.
He's so rude. He's so rude. You know, depression is different. He's so arrogant. He's so rude.
Listen to me.
Not being going for Europe.
Now make it talk.
I don't give up that permission. The academy call Europe.
Meet him.
Wait first, man.
How you insult person, mama? Never insult you. Insult person, mama.
I know them.
Who you know? You say you know them.
That bastard.
You see what they talk about.
Mute
him, make guy alive. On the
open your face. Open your camera.
Beg. And the way you want you. That's why you want you. You gonna be depression and mental case.
I don't see for another platform today. You want to work? I don't see for another platform.
Now mental case. He's mentally deranged. Yeah.
What is it?
Tell me you walk. Now what do they tell you? If I found
I said they walk. What is your problem?
Listen.
Man, you know now. And I never buy the account of every money. I mean, if you can walk from this, email in any day. Enter here, no, if you walk.
Because you come off for line.
They are working. So people advise him and he did not take now. Who is crying? I don't know who is the last one. Okay, I don't know.
You be Joseph.
Okay.
Yes, I want break this.
You don't break it, yo. Chief, for when I said one. I want to
break records here. I
talk like this. Why you get this?
I don't take pride. Say this guy don't break record when they never for it.
This record he was trying to break in the first place.
Listen.
When that man damn you, you go know so na 14 hit you.
Jama was alright. It's alright for Joseph.
Foolishness, man.
Depression
is real. It's real, guys. Real. Is it same way he was
depression is
using?
real, but you tell the talk so.
Depression real, my brother.
He's above 40.
He's 45.
We man we busy man and man. You understand? How you go just day house 247? You know they work. You collect 200 euro.
You don't get where.
Then you use the knack
you don't get it.
Now the secret.
You never felt born one for Africa or two.
Which stupid secret you talk about? Every person no one know. Which secret?
That's calm, my brother.
I go to country. Okay, then they tell you, okay, if you don't feel work, make you go school, integrate.
So this one was just useless in the country. But why a man?
President permit.
You not work, you not go school.
So now, what do you mean for that? I'm not they tell them the truth too. I'm not saying that your guy, but to make they try, they catch up.
God bless you, sweetheart. He no work, he no go school. For Germany. Don't even work, go school, they sit to me for us.
Unmute yourself.
You don't work, you don't go school.
Anything Nigeria,
You
anything
marry
Nigeria.
PLA government.
I dey divert. Una system, I dey divert come out.
He don't meet you now, you divert come meet us again.
I dey like to change narrative.
Okay. Ozu.
Anything when Nigeria do for this country, I dey like to change the narrative.
Na native.
I mean what do?
Okay, you know what they do what Nigerians do.
No, I don't do it. I don't do it. I watch it narrative.
Mommy, the person was real serious one.
When God said he will use madman to speak to the whole world.
No, only one man.
Man. Speak to the whole world.
The Bible
It
not
exists.
Bible.
You people, for the physical, that mean, look me say, I don't take no man.
No man.
Make believe on that. When time don't come, when if I will sleep,
I sing this song for you. No gbe wu we kagi egbe se eri kagi egbe se so pe no ya o ro gbe wu Enorigo one, the guy is the biggest fool I have ever seen in this Europe. I'm telling you. Opeji tari kagi egbe se eri kagi egbe se o so pe no ya o ro pe jita no ya o ro pe ma ba yan pa ka ogele pese no ya o ro pe ma ba yan pa ka ogele pese Osun me chief Owenaze one of Germany aka German money we no get money.
When time don't come, when foul sleep, oh yeah. Now then you sleep.
We don't see where you sleep.
The head God. I want make my God get proud.
You don't know.
It's not dictionary. This Bible is not dictionary.
The way he talk, nobody will give this kind of person document because he's trying to use force and the authority.
Too much.
Exactly. You never take an authority. You go and money one.
I wanted to God to know.
Mama,
if you want to know discover this God, read the Bible on your own.
Okay.
Don't let pastor.
Push. If you put any chapter for smoke will see. Or you dey read your Bible.
Okay, why go to chapter for you? Why?
Why go coach chapter for you? Why?
I want to sure so you dey read that book.
Okay, let me go tell me.
Not be go tell her. For what?
Tell me. Let me go tell me.
Not be go tell you, my brother.
Let me go tell me.
At all. Chief, when I say,
I don't want to sure.
Let me go tell me.
Not be you tell me.
Because some of you now. Now, be say that church, when they use billion built, now they got the day. God don't exist for there. God exists for your heart.
They don't know, not take
that church, it's your heart.
Not truth.
Don't you say, because they use billion build that church. Now go this chair, go this table, now they there because you carry Bible. You should have with the devils. You should have with the devils. Your church is your heart. Okay, if you don't know they exist, why you they dream? Why God give you dream?
So okay, me like I'm your sir.
Why you the dream?
You mean like I'm your sir, boy?
You want to say you don't see your spirit. So that's it. You don't see yourself another place. Your spirit take off. You go to do this another spiritual world.
Okay.
God, if you don't take time, enemy they will rubbish your life.
You need our when
tomorrow I will make her. Tomorrow I will make her. I'm making the maker. Whether my mama stand for her, you don't know. Whether my papa stand for her overnight, you don't know. But you be JJC, you be Kanama. We're Kanama. For this world. We're Kanama. Don't be Kanama. Don't be Kanama. Oh, Bible. Begin to vote God. They kabash. They kabash.
Because he said he's trying to break records, so what kind of record is trying to break? I don't understand. Is that depression, Jerry? Don't
be joking.
Not be joking.
Let it out, they will carry pot. They will carry pot.
Chief Ogwelaze.
Small.
Drink water. Sip wine.
That's in a man. Serious man. Serious man. Get action. God is spiritual, physical. If your spirit is too low, this enemy, they will rubbish your destiny for you. Without you don't know, you know they are aware. This enemy, those are the change now. I know where I beat of God.
Okay.
If you know so strong, overnight, carry my picture, go your shrine.
Okay.
I will visit you.
Okay.
As long as I don't offend you, I don't take Maggie, I don't take salt,
Mario,
I don't fuck your wife,
Mario,
I don't take your rapper, I don't take your clothes. Because the heaviness, hatred. Let them come and say, you want to destroy yourself, that's not me, huh? My brother, better for Matt. Mareto to you, huh? Now to destroy everywhere overnight. Mareto to you. Now to destroy. I be smart David, destroy Goliath. I will bring it down. I say, Asa.
Goliath already me, what Goliath.
But God. I know say I see your call, don't verse. I see your call. Don't distract me. I'm the don't verse. I want to know, sir. These Nigerian people, their brain too low. You see this how they call me? This how they call me. If they call me now, if they come from phone. If they Italy, if they go church, you will come and say, no, go church. You know what they tell her? Come with your church. Why they come and say, no, go church?
What is here?
I know say this guy, he discovered something. Now make they come and say, no, go church. But
You
one day I don't want to go church.
Why you not gonna go church?
I worship prophecy. Now look up because now I worship prophecy now. They come to the camera and the video. They say the video now yes they look. Now I smile. Because I think when they tell me say at the video at the
Emira me uzun wa be iwoke. You want to see prophet for church or pastor, right? So they're going to give you camera and make the video. So you're going to the video nyash. Oh yeah? You okay? This man, the prepare is so high, man.
church. Now yes they look because I want to stop that church.
So high.
Are you getting me? Italy for a year, people they watch me and they come in now. And then they say I will get no comment. They say I be Muku, I be Ozuo. I said, I don't already see the revelation ahead of me. I will get Italy documentary. They say I don't know what they talk. As far as Nigeria is concerned, I don't get documentary. Now say we shall see. Me wait at the battle. I do Sharon for Italy. I be Sharon. Whenever I get a Bible, I will call your name 3 times. I will wage war against you. Let the darkness and light let them fight now. I will tell you this battle. I'm a hero.
Rebecca, good morning. Happy weekend.
My blood is bitter. You cannot suck my blood. I will suck your blood. Because I hate injustice. I hate injustice. I'm a freedom fighter. You must let my people go. You cannot take their destiny. I'm being suffer. Who are you to take person's destiny? You go to Africa because that person they progress past you. You tell your mama, make the person preach.
Oh wow! Ake mwese yakpo gahia. Oh wow! Ake mwese yakpo gahia. Oh wa, oh wa, oh wa, oh wa, oh wow! Ake mwese yakpo gahia. Oh wow! Ake mwese yakpo gahia. Oh wa no mwesi rio o go bafio. Oh wa ke mwese yakpo gahia. Oh wa no mwesi rio o go bafio. Oh wake wese yako ahia. Oh wa oh wa oh wa oh wa oh wa oh. Ake wese yako ahia. Oh wa oh. Ake wese yako ahia. Ọmọ no wesi yo go bafio o wa ke mwese ye ko gakia o. Ọ̀rẹ́ gbagbon ya e ogo pa to se gbe wala wowo o wa wa ma imia No mi la gbe no tonu o wa iye. O wa ma gbo ma o eriseti iye. Eyin pa nu wa ya la wa rin mi wa. Ọmọ no ri pa ne wo wa yen di si. Ọmọ no ri fi ezera ne o ke o ri yare. Wala wo wa gi mara mi adogbanu. Wa gi agbon ga mama wala wo wa si obowo. Egbe no bere egbe no bi jo se na so dem ke wa riri aje. Wala ho wo wala ho. Agbon ya me regwe bi ge oparegwe. Wala wo ona ze mu ebe abona orizo enene. Wo sie eme igijo ho. Wala ho. Wala wo. You might see it to be like, oh, whatever. Oh, it say Jebe no se me kai. God bless you, mommy, sweet simple. God bless you. You wanna release the easy our cracker in the yak boy. Na so neme so. Na so neme so. A situation boy na o winye dem mat. O hinye bugbe. I'm your one age, but o gonna be bugbe. Couple with. Yana mi enwa dai. Win na. Oma wuna mari lawyer o mari school. Were Jenny. Are 200 in when you account maso. Maria Duro with Jenny. Then you are very comfortable with that. A man. My igual of work back home 45 years. Ma bia yowa. No we coco. Or in every job, I win a cookie waiting. Umare goma coco. Awa win a cow no one. Don't hink our one a wa. Near we men ugly. You know, it's sure one more John. Yoka one more join. But I'm not doing a boy married. Continue.
Who are you?
Chief.
That person, your mama already, sir. Your mama who is take career.
Okay.
If your papa already, sir, your papa is take career. I challenge the darkness.
Sorry.
Whosoever behead it, carry person name to let it doctor. Carry person name to fake pastor. You lie.
Oh.
Whatever you say, you worry.
I was at him with Gile. Udugu gwana oje. Ege isati gbeme. Sirasa lobwa. Emwe o. Ugu gwana kemwe oje. Ege isati gbeme. Sirasa lobwa. Chief when I say, Ade wuma osa laho. Gero yesu. Ade wuma osa laho. Gero yesu. Yesu gare osa lobwa gabiegbe o. Another you wear. Yagno tono gbewi o. Rundo sanu we. Ogo kunu no. Osanu we. Ogo kunu no. Dada setanu ta osa Mario. Baba Mario. Lega Mario. Oh. Chief Ogwenaze, aka Jama Money. Continue.
This time around, you will repel.
It's alright.
I'm a freedom fighter.
Hey, you know.
Oh, let my people go, set my people free,
Hey,
and
no.
let them go.
Oh.
They know the whole you monera.
At all.
They know the whole you cowboy. Let
At
them go.
all. Egin awara boy Nakure.
Some of them don't get aware when they pass through.
At all.
You people behind it overnight.
Yeah.
You people behind it overnight.
Ew.
I go and set my people go. You
Ew.
must let them go.
Egin
You
awala
must let them
o.
go. You lie.
Obe ye violence re mereje da him yana wala o.
Let me fight this battle.
Yeah, you boy can
Let me
go
fight this battle to
souverain.
show for you.
Are you
I
boy
will
can
tell
go
you, prayer is my
souverain.
work.
Are you boy
I don't
can
get on
go
that work.
souverain. Chief Ogwenaze.
Access will handle you personally.
Oh,
Will handle
Yajo.
personally.
Oh,
Access will handle you personally.
Chief Ogwenaze.
They will squeeze you.
Oh.
Squeeze you for that.
Alright, TJ sorry ancestor by Adazoki. But now sir, frustration.
She do like they vibrate.
Yasian. Na watana break project wa ha. And then we check every week.
God, you see God.
Well,
The way they said Joseph, I got provoke.
no.
Also, my picky, what's the man lead you now? Because he too small to lead you now. Joseph too small to lead you now. Now I hate with the dream. Okay. Now provoke God. Let the throw. So that you not provoke me. I'll make Joseph, when you not believe, I'll make a become. Don't go give let it out money. Do attention for you, for Africa. They will chop your money, they will claim months. Let it out. If you share for let it out, why picking on the maker? If you share for let it out, whatever they call themselves. Where they are picking on the maker.
No,
they are picking with the poorest picking. They ask where they live. You cannot enter self. You cannot visit her. You say guesses. Let it out say they see road. Now you know the see road.
No.
The way God take creator, so God take creator. They deceive you now. Now they deceive you now. This night, when they don't call you, they call our name. And they call our spirit. When our spirit don't come from our body, go meet them. When they want to do that, do to that down our spirit, they will do to them. If your spirit don't get smart, don't useless your spirit. Your spirit hospital will useless. That's why let it out this for you. Say, can you get me the name? Try to get the person name. Because that the name they will vote over, they will vote, it will call your name, will they call her.
Yeah, what ye move?
Nah, this is
yeah, what baby,
I will call your name 3 times.
Oh,
wait you boy this.
Oh, nice coming to me.
Let the darkness and light, let them fight now. I will tell you this battle, I'm a hero.
Oh my God,
you cannot suck my blood. I will suck your blood overnight. Because I hate injustice. I hate injustice. I'm a freedom fighter. You must let my people go. You cannot take their destiny. I believe so far. Because that person they progress past you. You tell mama, make the person picture go let it out. Who are you? That person, if your mama not release her, your mama will take career. If your papa not release her, your papa will take career.
I'm destiny also one
person name to let it out. Carry person name to fake pastor. You lie. Whatever you say, you will reap. This time around.
Mommy Queen Rita. Call enogie. That is the mama. Come mama. You get power to talk. No power to walk and help yourself. What are not a kilo all I see. A man, I don't want to move. Ite wa mia. Okay. Anga you ma be. Oh what I love it to talo. Every day, Monday to Sunday. Ya said be Sabbath day, keep a holy. No, we no go walk. He said it clearly. Or we ain't win now, he no go walk. He ain't win now. I ain't go walk. Go school or we ain't a Joe. Then you want to be a German citizen overnight. Through asylum. And you don't even go through the normal channel. The normal procedures. Or marry a lawyer. Oh, why, ma? I want to walk or with that dog. Bekere I said me. Oh, he and a book. Kebeno Bera Kebeno Jin. Or book. I then got my baby. A babon or muna. Or my titi vasi. Et là, c'est Jonai. Et c'est non, mommy. Et c'est non. Tout pele fon. Et c'est wanon. Kai! O waga go nye gbewa. O majimina. Ami bla job be jemi. Ami. E na so be ye bere nwina. E so oda fon se le gani. E ke na lo di taya. E ba na ya nwina. E ya nwina ba. Nyi ye de we ro paru. They are winner. I might not say I detest them with passion. Oh, one moment. Oh, my winner. Oh, my winner. You could be a cocoa. Woman, winner, not be comfortable with your liability or mark anybody. Don't do who do lads and who win out and ask for help. Oh, where were I moving? Oh, where were I moving? You will be so bold. Who do winner? Meno equal like that here. You won't go for bam. You can't go in me. I may if you are well over by to winner. Are you sick or something? I'll ban on video. This thing will alarm with banner. Oh, okay, ata. Your boy Pokwa. The way squad your banner at 10 banner. You tell you at school. And then you want to be ata. Okay, banner. What you talking on Aguari? A winner on my manner. No break a record dinner. The marriage is it be mama na me the UK no walk when you are loaded no and about it. Yeah, bam yeah, we move because yobo or my add to the community. Answer, please answer. Now before the deporter. It's no by your tono. It's no by your tono. Whether you are Eruna na male so wa. Erwi bona gbe ne net de yu huna. O male le so wa. Ewu no pa ni no wa Johnny. O wa gwe. E o gbona ya ari e. O we tuore no e dimese o ko no hu yen se ayasaba. O ma tie anere no ga ri go ge asaba. Shut up. Let me talk to my people. Gunwe. O ma ti o ko no hu yen se ayasaba. O ho ma mo ma no ri la jan a platform mo ti o wa genoki. O wi ana we go gba na isi koko no wa ye o wi aya ari o ko wasaba. O ko ni se ayasaba wi aya amu oyo mu. O ma zi u mama. O ma zi eni kiri akari hu jine. O ma zi emi akin wa gbin he. Uwe na ye imele ni wo because ore gbagbon ya kerekere asegbe. Saloba na egun me de wa kan na ege faru ame. Na egun ye ke no ewu po no ye wo to wa. Eruina. Cause na ya muera ya so. O maka wa lene for 3 months. Na mi ebo no gi mi ori le video e la dia woke. Ni mama o pa dori egbe la dia fully we ya dere o ya de o. Ni yobore o wa ke ko ne yoboro no na the chief ogwena se aka jama money. O ma gwale mi pa mu hie no ti egbe wa ka hion na ne yen ru ogbe ne oruwo de gbojuku. Igo ni ite fo la dia online o yin mi ya yin ku na na jiwo. So 200 na ga ari ne o na ari ego ko no rasaba. O ke na o ma wa no be una egbe. Because it over no una or tune up no una or you point or tune up by carry a journey. E talk Bologna, man, where me bonnet like big honor. Chief when I say, oh man, we no magic school. You want to break record. You want to evoke ancestor of Norway Germany. You are so born a when ancestor go a jam, in Italo mo a Germany. Italians. What the Italians, the May Italians, that in Italy, the May Italians. I remember that time my ex mama they tell me Jama story. When we are Italy fever, any no ya be pasta. Ya ikun la yen pe no cook yan e Jamas. Ivitalo mo ive Germany. And according to you, what they be in Italy? It's a lazy boy. I no marry, no marry church or my boy. Go no you. Oh yeah, take a canopy.
You people behind it overnight. Go. I said my people go. You must let them go. You must let them go. You lie. If it's sure for you, come out overnight. Let me fight this battle. If it's sure for you. And I will tell you, prayer is my work. I don't get another work. I make sure I will.
Mommy, Magdalene Okuzuwa. Call enogie, beautiful mommy. Call enogie. Good morning, mommy.
Ancestors will handle you personally. They will squeeze you. They will squeeze you for that.
The one here excuse you now.
They will squeeze you.
The one here excuse you now.
Who are you?
A man, I mean.
See the vibrate.
We see.
This power is with me.
Oh, my dear, young a power, my dear, young man.
God, you see God. The way they said Joseph, I got provoke. When I say my pity, when I say man lead you now, because I say it too small to lead you now. Joseph too small to lead you now. Now hate with the dream. Okay, now provoke God. Now they throw. So that now provoke me. I will make Joseph, when I not believe you, I'll make her become a hero. And make Joseph, I'm with you. Don't look back. We will know who will win this battle. If they winner, make it not serve her. But if you winner, they will go to you and apologize and begin to look for a solution for their life. This is what he promised Joseph in the prison. Who are you? You don't dare when Jama asks to invite me.
Ita, no, what did I tell you? What did I tell you when I said?
Who are you? You see, I just got to the proud. They are nice.
Oh my wow, this about
beyond the care.
Yeah, today's your birthday, mama. Then send picture call for me for inbox. Now be left for her. Happy birthday, enogie. Long life and prosperity.
Because you people say I work, I do this one, I do this one. That's why they give me this thing. Because I don't come and say I don't go school. I don't marry. I wish I marry. I got woman. Then they collect money for Jama. They will disqualify me for spiritual world. They will disqualify me. I'm not capable to run this race. Just of that prison, you don't marry because you get mission. I wish I marry. They will.
Man, he won't give up on this man. He won't give up. He won't give up on this man. Oh, go to have enogie. Area me have boy. Me man say man. Oh, me man like you.
Disqualify me for spiritual war. I'm not capable to run this race.
Mommy, I see your mother don't call you enogie. If they shock any for social media, you see say they be better person.
I just have to do
he need to go preach.
I resist her. Because now
shut up, mommy. Shut up. What will you resist to it? What good any? If I go we are going. What do you resist? You not see who give you up way. I when I keep him go. Can't go any. Tell me better that guy gonna always irresistant. Iye-eki. What are you now, Mazo? Yeah.
Heavy duty. Do the assignment they go give me. Assignment they go give me.
It's so one yes.
Who are you? I don't feel fuck. Do it the fuck? Do it the dope? I don't feel do her.
Not sure.
Also. Now, no guesses.
Depression is real.
No guesses. Now, the one that they speaking to the collect money. I'm for say do one.
Why you not doing
it? Speaking to the collect money, see 7 years. I just the collect money sooner. Yes, now. Our mentality now. That's our mentality now. Our mentality. Without no marriage, no, they don't give you paper. That's why you people, relationship people know the whole group now, they enter. This relationship right now.
Do you know I was having this stupid mentality? Yes. Let me quickly address this part. Few years ago, I was in a gele. Yes. Yes, my enogie, eti don't naya, but in your city. Moi, I was like, oh. Maybe anywhere when I will be ever from day one. Anywhere when I be now, anywhere when I be now, or when I was worry be or my ever. That has ever been my dream. I remember when I had mom those days. Mom would tell me this was what I was saying when I was growing up. Like, I just love a beautiful family. My mom would tell me, say, see you. When we are figuring one cause. Are you getting it? I was just still a child, but so the thing going down my head like, no, you be a bill. Wow, anyway, when I be now, the thing come strong. You know, say if they grow with one thing, you come strong for your head. You come like, me money be a me pay now. I bring me muscle here. Few weeks ago, this is me, moi. I sat myself. In my way, Asaboro, get a problem. I was just talking to myself. After I've finished talking to one of my mommy, I said, let me lie down. But when about a flashback, was thinking a lot. Ha! Ubeso, in a way, all that I have run for my 20s. Hey, Salobwa, Ebe Mado, where we later were, I was just confused in thoughts. I wouldn't lie. I was then confused. I asked myself, should I do it? But one thing about me is that my conscience will not even allow me. That is the problem I am having. My conscience will not allow me. If I can deal with my conscience, if I can handle my conscience, but my conscience is the one handling me. That is the problem. This is exactly what he's saying. But it's a very big mistake. Yes, it is. I wouldn't say because I am in the same shoe or in a tight corner. No, if you can do it, do it. If you can, do it. But the problem I have is that so many of you don't even know why you are doing it. That is my pain. If you know exactly what you are doing, Mr. Peter, Domosa, that is no mind. If you know what you are doing, do it. Because we bona. Una nego ikarano guzebunu oyere zeye. Oyere zeye ama wuwe webo ameke. So far no ame be webo. Una ne be webo ojabugbe. Not in other countries. You see these countries. Austria, ebonana wa minwina. Una ne biya. Austria, Holland, Belgium, Germany, England, Canada is the winner table. Oh, mommy, I bet you are called enogie. Always not too late. It is somehow late because this is me, right? Anyway, these countries that I've made mention of, the ones I know, including Switzerland. Switzerland is a bit okay, it's a bit flexible due to the fact that my is normal. Right? And the Manireva, come say, how are you, my love? Good morning, sweetheart. Emanijo or Emanireva, they are with Oyibo and all that. And you, if you are a man, say na Switzerland for your touch ground or anyhow you take it there. Say you not go also, you not get Italian document. You must be attached to one Oyibo. So when you are done with Oyibo, you continue with your life the next semester, which is perfectly fine, including Sweden. God bless you, simple, sweet, simple. Especially England, to be precise. Especially England. Then in now we make good people know the how many atalos. Ogami atalos say boy the man. Ogami atalos say man. But Ogi Yogos will know. Take it away, mother de event school. I am a kind of in when I reduce the depression. And where I am when I read away with back in by so okay with you depressed. I'm telling you. Everyone in our J, here may work a deal. Germans are even good. They have room for asylum, right? Yeah. The other country, I don't think they do. Belgians, Imae, Maria Durova, Sigleti Wakara, Ayana with Domba. Imae, Maria Durova, but when anyway, you behavior, but at least you can maneuver. You can maneuver. But in England, or when no man will be, I can't make me. Not until you are inside. You can't even explain what is happening to you. Unane. Don't be surprised. There's nothing you can do. There's nothing you can do. Absolutely not. You can't do it. Always want quality. But they will not tell you. Hey, Ambassador, Mr. Eromomo, the latest Eromomo in town. Daddy Osarodion Osigye one of Otulegba. I greet you, Baba. Domo sir. That is it. You are going away or more. Domo sir. You have to. Because when life happens to you, especially when you are not documented, you wouldn't know. Some of you might be very lucky. But if you understand the stress he has gone through, but in his case, he is so foolish. He refused to take lawyer. Nobody was interceding on his behalf. He refused to work, and he refused to school. So what is he doing? Why does he take money from the government, busy doing nothing, ranting on TikTok, wandering around like a loose dog for no just cause? So I will advise you, if you intend relocating to any country, you are not documented. Exclude England. Don't let anybody deceive you. Don't be deceived. You are hearing from the right source. You will suffer. You will suffer. Don't be deceived. Or tell me what I when you go there. What say they better if I go le talk no ya wina. Tu pele. Ona do bomieri enu. Utelu ele 3 weeks. Okpa must to fear for no just cause. Even if there is a reason behind it. So if you are thinking of relocation, think well. Ask questions. From reliable source, from good people. Not a person that wants you to suffer what he or she have suffered. Adobome wa so who wa matter. Atemata ma wa ye. It's not good that you still there. Those kind of people were careful ni alawa, ni adodan no se no da. O ma no fi hu yeze, o ma ni o we mure. Sometimes it's good to tell the story when you experience it better. It's very good. So that was the mistake I made. But sometimes he may regret it. He may regret it. Nene so nene we so niya. Iya yere wa bana. So ye bien no one they are not still there. So sometimes it's painful. That's why I shaking it. If bad then no dating ya away. Right? O mani avi when I let any mani gele when. Nye mari ane me mani. And the mani ka when I we. Me, I'm that person that if I love you, sometimes I will want you to give the lead. They always tie because the money waiting at it go kill your again. Okay, let's do it. You might be another run. We dated for how many months? Me, I was just too. This is me talking. I am that type of person. I was afraid of pregnancy. Heaven is my weakness. We dated for 1 year. For complete 4 to 5 months. If I tell you say na condom we use, you no believe. Yes, because we are just extremely careful. We want to plan like I plan a life. A life is soon your face and your chest and the way it be. Me, I was just let's plan it. Let's do it this way. No more do I suffer. I just that soft life I was planning. I'll say you are my zinjo. It's the annoying zinjo. It's the annoying zinjo. Me mewe. Tu pele wano. I yeti we be. When it happens, it happens. Or say the name bossing one. Talk be ari on ego. Talk be agbe nejo. When I realize my mistakes sometimes, when I check my past, it does so. We want day. If I era me va ije me o. Era me go ije me o. Ina we wo yekede o. Oju wa gba me oju wo ri ase. O ma pe era eri o. Oju wa gba me oju wo ri ase o. O ma pe ije eri o. Eina swan galwigo. Ina galwigera e. Asadenya go galo. Ina galwige patro. Ose pori yomare. Anaga mwamufa. Ose pori yomare. Anaga egbope ni o. Efema oriviawe. Ope ni no gboviawa. Osunu d'Amerique o, emine do ya eka o. Okpamen ne gori aginele gogya. Ige azeke yo. So pidi nwane enwe kedore. Alagbe o. My people, in one enwe kedore. Osie, to come make mistake for later one a problem. To come make mistake for later one na problem. And this country, is very unfortunate. It's very unfortunate that you live not by fear. But I got fear. Eh, mama. I want kwenu zon. Eno mi kweno ya sogo. Eno yoma. I kwenu zon. Eno mi kweno ya sogo. Ijalo ki kwelo wejebe na mule. Ijalo ki kwelo wejebe na mule. Ijalo ki kwelo wejebe na mule. Wa mule te waya o, wa mule o. See what you dey run for money. If he meet you for evening, you will never forgive yourself till eternity. So I beg, I have passed through that place. I know what I'm talking about. Do not make silly mistakes that I made. Don't do it. Don't do it. Sometimes you don't wait to have it all. Sometimes you shouldn't be the planner. In my case, I was the planner. Yes. In my case, I wanted life to be like this. I wanted hobby to be like this. Normally, I'm not that type that just like a more. Two is okay for me. So I wanted kids to be like this. I was the planner. That was where I had problem with myself. I know my problem. I never knew you allow life to do it in its own way at its own time. But what I really do not like, which it happened to many, they never planned for it. They never did. Life happened to many. That was what I was wanting. Like, I don't want it. I don't like that voice at all. I don't like it. I don't like it right from the onset. My mom died in the presence of my dad. My father was not so good. My father was not so bad. My father was not so perfect. He's just an Edo man. Yes, he is. But you know what? Understanding. Although my mom was the pastor, my mom was the Christian. My dad is just a normal Edo man. But you know what? They both managed themselves till that fateful day, August 24th, 2022, when she departed. So that has ever been what I was craving for. My friends who really knows me, they will tell you, oh, phone or you bought joy or imagination. Somebody like Mama Junior will tell you, there's a taste of Junior with a low poor. It is a tower doctor, market church day, Church of Aria Junior, Christian Arts of Fellowship, something like that. I came in the evening service. This is a tata successive way. A bonano. You know, away Junior who here. And then I made that video. I'll just sit down, just that beautiful picture of family, just like stuff like that. I was afraid of only me bringing up a child. Imagine. You know, the Osaloba me on my family. You know, carry the Yakbo is a no game. Akbo. You know, carry the Yakbo is a no game. You know, carry the Yakbo is a no game. Akbo. So do not make the same mistake that I made. It's a mistake on my part. And the worst of all, single mother, I carry we no single, no my beer. I will experience. Yes. It's so yeah. So in that case, if you have the opportunity, if you have the strength, my sister, do how. Especially for this abroad, but know why you are doing it. Do not do it for just doing sake. Do not do it because you are looking for a place to put your head. You cannot afford rent. Do not do it because all my friends don't do it. You're doing. No, do it because you want to do it. You know what you are doing. It's your time. There should be a cause for an alarm. The same mentality will go on. Chief Ogwenaze, aka Jama Money, we not get money, alias TikTok Papagay. Alias TikTok Papagay. That's okay, my brother. Continue.
The dictionary people right now, some of the women, they don't sell their destiny to the river. They don't carry their destiny to the river. This is a prepare potato to soup. Prepare potato to soup. Some of the evil guys, they come for mission. Some of them be genuine. Now to come and destroy boys' life.
Also, your mother you poor.
Some boys still come and destroy guys. 50-50. I stand for justice. I can't take one part. I leave the other part.
Baba justice.
This battle between boy and girls. It don't my body, they my body.
Emala mami
Some of
we.
them are messing. They just say this guy get vision.
Emala mami we.
This boy will destroy this guy.
Stress or have less.
This guy knows that this boy get vision. This guy will destroy this boy destiny. You people, African mentality now. Yes, no. Let me talk out.
Okay.
It's African mentality. No more they lecture each other. No one they control each other. No, anybody want to go.
Mommy, I will say enogie.
They never raise shoulder. You want to be slave, you get a shoulder. I don't arrive.
And at the same shoulder, you know this man is not gentle. Now the same shoulder in the race now. To be fair, he's just being rude. Despite he's being depressed, but he's just being rude. The way this man they talk, your face say get American passport. Not knowing say now do they give him. Vamoose, he not live, he not work, he not go school. O ma egwa le bere no ya nna.
You come be new one, you come be oldest. You see, first surgery. It don't really pass.
Evo.
Nothing 5 years time.
That
new car, it don't expire. No, another one don't come out. Also with the house. You don't get sense. Don't do competition with somebody from Europe. They'll mislead you. Don't do competition. Take my brother. Don't do competition with somebody. Laugh like Johnny. You know, build your house one day. Johnny of a man, take a step. Johnny of a man, he take a step.
Yeah, going
no
on.
House, they build one day, no house. They build one day, no house. Who are you?
Nobody.
Don't control people destiny overnight. You carry a mirror. You tell about papa, mama, make a control person destiny. He take my gift for your house.
A man and destiny na control, to be fair. A depression no. Akwe no la ma gwa akere re la. Ere pa. Where ono ya go working atam we me ekwe. Mommy Redia, call ye no get we nice now asking for money, mama go. Ere man. Chief Ogwenaze, your wife Chief Ogwenaze, aka Jama money we no get money. Chichi egwe ito egwe yegun wero bi atana no mama.
You what did they control their destiny because the person pass you.
Send me the man Facebook. Now
Because
TikTok
it make a pass you. My brother, if you are sowing spiritual word, because that I will buy that matter, I will buy it. Yes, now. That matter, I will buy it.
I know, come here, I don't echo.
I know people are not saved for spiritual word. I know many people are not saved for spiritual word. Now, yes, now, that matter, I will buy it now. I will be servant of God when they fight trouble for spiritual word. Because I had injustice.
Severe one.
Injustice.
You need medical attention.
Weakness from my parents. Injustice. They take me.
Okay, parents are
I had to destroy. Injustice. I hate her. I hate her. What you belong to me, take it from me. Well, we say, I will hate her. Injustice, I will hate her. What did I take for you?
Immediately talk.
What did I take for you? When you carry a picture. You carry a picture.
Me tell them Malaya a penny and
you always try carry on. Yes, now. Look at me very well.
Why we back me said by
I will buy her for spiritual word. I will buy her. I will find you.
Say Mariwa.
Where did the person take from you? Where begin a song with the mention in name? You lie. Wait for me.
If you know my brother's in a team fail a call.
Wait for me.
Okay, continue.
Me. Yeah, look at me. Not many people are not safe for spiritual. Not many people are not safe. Many people are not safe. That's I don't do the work. Physical, God already positioned them. Who want to do something. I be message. I don't already save for spiritual world. Physical, God already positioned the person who want help. I don't do the work because there are signs when God gives. I don't do the work. You carry person name to let it doctor. You carry person name to fake pastor.
Okay.
You carry person name to fake all those fake prophets. Now they call God, not because call them. Okay. Now they call God, not because call them. Say by that fruit you shall know them. Like I say, I know God, you know God, you know God. Can you make sacrifice?
Can you make sacrifice?
Sacrifice. No smoke, no heavy, no hatred, no jealousy, no gossip.
No smoke, no pray. We let it be. I don't know, stress is a boss, we calm down. We calm down. They can't wait. Many are the right. Why wait battle and not my. Then they be no one tied about going. What's up? But wife, you have one name, wife, you have. He just soon over when he have you. If I go with Baba, and I will hey. Go now. If you give me no bone, no good, them. If you give down one away, on I mean, you. Only any if you now bother Adam, waje or we a man. See, Canada for me, I did I go walk back. On I mean, any book where matter. Really, Adam, you give ya. Oh, in me, yeah, Baba, gay, the Canada. Adam, away, Baba, waje or we a lay. Was here, walk Paffia, and apple. Baba, woman. See, say, where Jory net, it will be. My wife is no wild wafioni. That is to tell you one year wagelewe. You can't reduce stress. Yes. They talk be another more a girlfriend. No be said jo why ya because if you not go your car or always say we sleep over. Always say till the boy we might ho or bagi a thing we were so because we ain't going on or piano when you or devil motor and I or walk down or rock bomber. Oga de umodia elani ana on me majaji isoba yo polomo mi la yedo imae be body di aje e ma na e won egbe emi ro pa ro eko de to make na ya ai cause omo ko e ti wa ile ra enu pa we no level we press up iwa wo se gbonire yan yi go gele wo dele mi yo wa dele mi yo wa ko ni na le wa wu won a problem on aya opia so wo your choice when you wa lowo ke ule me we rakia eboete Jessica my love I agree to Princess Sandra mommy I agree to enogie oni luga ono nana agbon mi e go na e ya EZIZA de so ta kin akokin e na koko we over no no make we tontore. So uhe te wa ni do wa boss uhe yege. By so doing, Italian and less. How many juice? Oh, what is in working? But then always socky with boku or a peke. Who are okay on a marry way or get as it they very get as it been. Or a move boring, right? Ye mammy we unia. If I marry bound, Upoma back, a man almost to me. Almost to a TikTok. When.
Don't let any person this enter your eye. You can't do it. You can't make sacrifice. See now just carry Bible.
Sacrifice.
God. When God answer your prayer, say God don't exist. You cannot go to God. You don't want one miracle one day.
Hey, I join my people.
Already the fire. You cannot step pot. It's already the fire. A pot, yes now. The pot is already the fire. You cannot step the pot.
Yes,
it's already the fire.
Yes,
now who are you? You carry person name to let it auto. My dear my brother or sister, who they hear me for today now? Let that person let me discover for spiritual war. I will buy the matter. Me will buy him. I will buy him. For reason, I will buy him. You people use Gonna look for power. I'll just say, I get this man zoo. He can destroy you overnight. There she right. Now let I'll take. He can destroy everywhere.
He can destroy. We are back. He can destroy.
I want to see. I'll be conquer. I conquer war. No bad one on the face on the conquer. Ogbona, too small. Ogbona, sir, me are you for this battle? Not at all.
Ogbona so one name.
You know what you do for me? Oti, you come out and tell your word.
I dey drink wine, no be.
Now this battle it will finish. Say what you talk, not talk again.
Yeah. Why you can't go?
Oh, you protected the whole world.
Ogbona, go to carry work with it.
If you don't pay off free, that's why you talking a lie.
Make you use.
No off you must go heaven. But that man make that prayer in secret. We don't want to know. But God tell us,
oh, no, I can't so take care. I say that you know fear. I cannot have fear.
That's the way they use my name.
I cannot let you make their fear. I cannot let no condom now you for one.
Because that man got only one bar. Only one bar I can get now.
You told me.
I go tell now for spiritual war. Say go and tell them the way they use my name, they deceive them. Who not pay off, they go heaven. You the same way come and tell them say now lie you lie. Come on shame. Not man come on shame.
Oh, one of your bamu not taking now. Ebi easy na yero go na in Nigeria.
Make us forgive her. That be potent. No, this Bible.
Oh, what you awake ya?
Who are you now? You are your gang. Me not wait for me for this battle. Yeah. I will look for you. Hospital, I will find you. I will find you. Evil people. They be chameleon. These people, they be chameleon. Don't they pretend they be afraid? Don't be afraid. Who they watch me for ya? If you want to get afraid, serious afraid, and spiritual, physical. Now, let you determine who be your friend. Let be that time.
Can't you wake ya?
Net, you might be not total bush. Net, you might be not total snake. God create you make on the suffer.
No.
God create you make on the suffer.
No.
Why can't you ask yourself? No, this suffer. God just say make on the suffer for this world. Then they do one night. When they call your spirit in the night, they will request for something for your spirit.
For your spirit,
if your spirit is not active, your destiny is finished. It's gone.
Man, depression.
Your spirit is gone. Your gone. Your spirit will use lesson. Tomorrow will make her. Tomorrow will make her. Tell the maker. You don't feel the maker. If you don't see Papa, see Mama, we want stand for you. Stand on your own. Stand on your nigga of the night. Stand on your own. I go with prophets. With the night.
We profess. Hey, prophecy. We profess.
Satan for church. We do prayer with Satan for church. Church when they do what they do the altar. God not there. Let me tell you, people. God God's not living there. Mother, use clothes and sleep and take you to that church. God's not there. God is your heart. Now your heart, they go for the dwell. Yes, now. Yes, now. Let me tell you now. Your heart, now they go for the dwell. Not they go for that church when they just go to take you. Serve your God. The way you understand this. Serve your God. Don't let person read the Bible for you.
It's all right.
Bible, not be waiting to read for person. Bible.
You know you met it.
Not be waiting to read for person.
You met it in that book.
Know this one. Have today go. No. Bible, not be waiting to read for person.
So many, man.
The house of God. When God they come, he says they do tax collector. Each aware with anger.
Okay.
But the house of God now, they collect offering.
You have to buy it in there. You have to buy it in there.
Offering. You know the Bible, when God they come, he has where he said, my house is not for prayer, it's not for tax collector.
Yeah,
it's already everything with anger. God provoke, no be bonus. Why God provoke? You don't use them to collect money. Why God provoke? They now go physical, now going to deceive us. Now people who don't know what they have for darkness. Now they advance.
You can't even know anything how much you are working.
I come and drop this message from now.
Okay.
Now, after today, go no. Now to control physical. Don't die down. Don't that night. Don't die down.
Okay.
Don't that night.
Go ahead.
Now to control physical.
Go ahead.
Now will determine what you will become.
Phew.
Now will determine what you will become. Night. I give you guarantee. Night. Now will determine what you will become.
Phew.
These deceivers. Haters. Agbelulu.
What do you say? It's all right. Continue. As in, I just abonne.
If I not forgive you, as I just say you throw my give my children. If I not forgive you, I'll off this guy video. For when they say I be bad person, not concern me.
Don't forgive it.
What will be my game? If you shock me to give my children, not say they don't go school tomorrow. Okay. Sorry for your deportation.
You're getting now.
At least now.
Or 5 nights a day.
One more letter. Nobody will come.
And then you tell them.
You get nobody will come your court. No more letter. Not to reason here. Not to stress. Not forgive you. My swagalicious lady, precious man. Where you there now? Where you there? Request of my sister, of you. Yeah, wait to be your name. That put up for last. Okay,